Thank you for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the in-depth analysis video forecast discussion for this beautiful summer-like Monday afternoon, which is June 17th, 2013. And first of all, I just want to wish everyone a belated Happy Father's Day. Sunshine reigns supreme this morning with temperatures already approaching 80 in the Newark area this morning. Mid and upper 70s just about everywhere else, and dew points are on the rise. They're in the mid to the upper 60s. It's a sticky, humid summertime afternoon. Southwesterly winds already coming in, and they're generally less than 5 to 10 miles an hour, but we're starting to see some of the mixing with that boundary and sunshine, and we're getting some frequent gusts now across the region as well. But it's a summertime afternoon indeed, with temperatures well into the upper 70s and lower 80s inland, and probably getting even close to that around the South Shore and east ends of Long Island, and also along coastal New Jersey this afternoon. This morning we find, late this morning, we find a few showers here off the Delmarva, some showers and thunderstorms popping off the lakes into into western New York State, and a few showers and perhaps even a thunderstorm or so getting into southwestern Pennsylvania and southwestern West Virginia. And it's nothing but sunshine here across the New Jersey, New York City metro area. Few scattered clouds across central and southern New Jersey, even to the coastline, but it's a beautiful day, and we'll show you the webcams in just a moment. We have some cirrus and also some cumulus clouds developing here across central Pennsylvania, and that's induced by the heating over the mountain ridges with the sunshine today. And we also have a few showers here and some buildup of cumulus across southwestern Pennsylvania into western Virginia, and some showers getting off into the southern Delmarva region as well this morning on the visible satellite imagery. Same thing on the water vapor loop, enhanced cloudiness with a frontal boundary that's off the coast now, and we're getting also some buildup of convection here across central southwestern Pennsylvania. This is where a few showers and even a thunderstorm or two is already beginning to pop across western Virginia this morning. And we don't have any watches or warnings in the region. Already temperatures in Central Park getting up to New York City at 81 this afternoon, or late this morning, in Newark already popping in at 82 at the airport. Temperatures elsewhere in Philadelphia at 80, Atlantic City 79, Toms River 76, and Brookhaven out with the National Laboratory there in the National Weather Service in New York City at Upton 79 degrees. Here's beautiful Belmar Beach this morning. Already lots of people lining up and playing games there at the beach with soccer ball, or football if that is. It's football there. And we can see the waves coming in from off the ocean to right along the coastline there. Lots of people getting their sun in today on this Monday afternoon. And it's tranquility at Long Beach Island and New Haven, Long Beach Island rather, at Beach Haven, and it's early in the morning, but there's a few people out here. Here's a young couple here, or a couple here getting some sun, and they're out on the Barrier Island here, so that's why, and it's Monday afternoon, but it's such a beautiful, beautiful day to be out near the coast. And don't I wish I could be there. And the agricultural forecast from Rutgers University in New Brunswick: rainfall amounts today, none. Through tonight, 1/10 of an inch, with locally higher amounts possible later Tuesday. Winds for spraying, west-southwest, 5 to 10 miles an hour through Tuesday. Humidity levels 40 to 50% today, 90 to 100% tonight, and again 40 to 50% on Tuesday. Dew point 60 to 65 through Tuesday. Drying conditions good today, fair to good on Tuesday, with some scattered wetting possible in scattered showers. Frost freeze or dew, well, some light dew is expected tonight and Tuesday night, with some scattered wetting and showers Tuesday night. And there is 80% sunshine today forecasted, 70% tomorrow, and there is a 10% probability of precipitation during the 12-hour period beginning 8 a.m. and ending at 8 p.m. that could adversely affect the performance of pesticides that require a rain-free period after application. My friends, that's very little. Surf zone water temperatures. Montauk Point 61, almost 62 degrees there. The Battery, New York, at 67. Sandy Hook at 70. Atlantic City 64. Cape May at 73 degrees. Coastal waters, there's a moderate risk of rip currents along the south-facing shores of Long Island during this afternoon. Southwest winds at 5 to 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 this afternoon. Seas 2 to 4 feet, mainly in swells. And there is a slight chance of showers early this afternoon. For tonight, southwest winds gust up to 20, becoming west at 5 to 10 knots late, seas 3 to 4 feet. Tuesday, southwest winds continue at 5 to 10 knots, getting up to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon with seas 3 to 4 feet. There is a chance of showers in the morning, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon with visibilities 1 to 3 miles in those showers and thunderstorms. Southwest winds becoming north Tuesday night with a cold frontal passage at 10 to 15 knots, gust up to 20 after midnight, seas around 3 feet. Wednesday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots, gust up to 20 knots, seas 3 to 4 feet. There is a chance of showers in the morning with visibilities 1 to 3 miles. This is the 700 millibar lifted index actually and vertical velocities actually from the NAM WRF model. And we can see if we start out late this morning, there's a little bit of lift going on late this afternoon across the Hudson Valley and into Connecticut and into southeastern New England. This could be a focal point for a few showers and thunderstorms as well. And those showers and thunderstorms could also pop around the New York City area, northeastern New Jersey. But outside of that, we're not really expecting anything in the way of severe weather. As we get through the day on Tuesday morning, everything looks quiet pretty much. But we do find a few areas where there's lifting during the afternoon, especially in the southwesterly flow and humid conditions with the dew points in the mid and upper 60s. And there's a short wave racing through on Tuesday morning into with some lifting going on there across southeastern New York. And this is by the afternoon hours, we could find enough cape and instability for a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms across central New Jersey and also portions of the Hudson Valley and into interior Connecticut. And by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, this is where the NAM model wants to focus some very unstable conditions across the region, especially around Newark, New Jersey, and northeastern New Jersey, where we could have a few showers and thunderstorms pop also across the region. That pretty much dies down. And by Wednesday morning, as the cold front moves through, we're left with a trough access just about to our west, and there could be some more convection going on to our west and southwest as drying conditions gets in here during the afternoon and evening hours on Wednesday. And we still do have to get through some convection here with the mid-level trough access here sliding through southwestern and central Pennsylvania into the Delmarva region. Notice a few areas here where we have upward vertical motion here across the Virginias and across the Delmarva. These could be focal areas for showers and thunderstorms. And eventually, we're going to find very dry conditions settling in for the week as we get through Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening with the trough access now to our east, all the convection and lifting to our east as well. And that means high pressure moves in over the forecast region, and we can see it building in here across the region during Thursday afternoon, Friday, and Saturday as well, with generally dry conditions. Here's the NAM WRF model now for Tuesday morning. First of all, let's go back to today. And we really don't find much in the way of convection here. There again, this afternoon, late this evening, there could be some convection across the regions where I just showed you. And as we get through the day on Tuesday, firing up the convection once again during the afternoon hours across northeastern New Jersey, southeastern New York City metro area. And these showers and thunderstorms can get intense around the Newark area, northeastern New Jersey, Passaic, and Bergen County, and into Queens, Staten Island, and Yonkers, Manhattan proper, during the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow as the cold front begins to make its way through. And the upper level trough will swing through to our region during the day on Wednesday. Most of the shower and thunderstorm activity will now be confined to southwestern Pennsylvania and the Delmarva region, including the Virginias, which is the Delmarva actually. And then as we get through the day on Wednesday afternoon, could find a lingering shower or thunderstorm crossing the area at any time as the trough access makes its way through, and then that moves off the coast. And notice what builds in here. High pressure across the region building in during the Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, Saturday time period, with generally dry conditions throughout the region and much cooler air coming in. But I want to make note that the temperatures will respond nicely with the wind shifting off back to the southwest again as we get through the weekend. So temperatures will rise back up into the upper 70s and low to mid 80s, but with relatively drier conditions and a stable atmosphere from Friday and Saturday on.